Near the horse farm.
Oh yeah, my horse farm's just ahead. Just gotta cross this bridge.
Those crocodiles took all my horses!
My truck's stuck in the river. I need your help.
Got it! I'm coming right now.
Oh! The bridge collapsed. I can't get this truck out.
It's okay. I'll call a crane to lift you out. Whoa! The crane is ready. Let's pull it out. Perfect. The truck is safe.
How do we stop the crocodiles breaking the bridge again?
Then we build a strong dam to block them.
All the materials are here.
We need to block the water flow first.
Few minutes later.
Great. The river is dry. We can start building the foundation.
Whoa!
Now we need to pour the concrete onto it.
I brought the concrete mixer here.
Sand. Cement. Water.
The concrete mix is ready. Let me spread the concrete evenly.
Oh!
All right. Next we build the sidewalls for the bridge.
Whoa!
The walls are done. We can bring soil to fill the bridge.
Yeah.
It feels quite solid.
Oh!
Let's finish the road surface with concrete.
Whoa!
Then we add lane lines onto this road. And attach the outlet pipe to the two waiting pipes. Next, connect them to the two valves to control the water, and done.
Whoa! Whoa!
This is awesome. Let's make the river flow again.
Okay.
Woohoo! Water is flowing perfectly through the pipes.
Whoa!
Those crocodiles can't reach my horses anymore.
In a prison area.
Hurry up, do not stop until you find the treasure.
Oh no! We need a drill to speed up the work.
damp sand.
Wonderful. This one seems nice, Bob.
Oh!
Let's find the treasure.
The drill begins to drill down into the ice.
Wow!
What is that smell?
Oh,
no!
This ice hole is too hard.
We should move to another spot.
Look, the fish are swimming below.
This ice hole looks thinner.
The drill bit keeps lifting and drilling into the ice.
Oh no, there's nothing here. The blizzard is stronger, Andy.
This ice hole is our last chance.
The drill is running at full power.
Look, the ice is broken.
Oh!
This drill is amazing.
Yeah, the drill bit broke through the ice easily.
Wow!
This ice layer is really thick.
We are rich, Bob. Let's get out of here. Oh, is there a car wash station nearby? So clean. My car is so dirty. I need to wash my car. Here is your money.
Welcome to our car wash.
Please clean my dirty car.
Okay. I'll begin the wash now.
Car wash soaps.
Ready to get your car clean.
Water.
Wow, your car is shiny.
Thanks for the clean.
Add pump nozzle. Add the engine and the battery.
Please help me clean my garbage truck.
I'm always willing.
Thank you for the great service. Welcome to the most beautiful fountain contest. Here's the prize for the winner, the most precious thing in town.
I really want this car.
My fountain will amaze everyone here.
What's special about this?
It can raise lots of fishes. Amazing.
Mine is even more special.
What's special about yours?
It can both raise fish and light up.
It's better.
I need to make a most unique fountain.
Please see my fountain.
Aha!
Watch this. Water flows from the pump to the top level.
And fills the lower levels. It's wonderful too.
Such a beautiful fountain. So hard to pick a winner.
It can also turn into a swimming pool.
Oh, yeah!
So creative. Very unique.
Today, our winner is
The tank can raise fish, the fountain can light up, or Andy's swimming fountain. It's Andy!
Yeah.
That car is mine.
Here's your reward. It's a car billboard.
What? Where's my car?
It's mine. You fool!